Eminent EM4594 Installation Manual. Quick install. Step 1. Please check if your wireless router has a WPS button. Also, check whether your wireless router has a properly configured internet connection. Step 2. Connect the EM4594 to a wall outlet. Please place the EM4594 close to the modem router during setup. Wait until the Wi-Fi LED flashes blue. Step 3. Now press the WPS button on the EM4594 wireless repeater for approximately 1 second. Step 4. Press the WPS button on your wireless router for approximately 3 seconds. Refer to the manual of your wireless router for the exact duration of pressing the WPS button. Step 5. The connection between your wireless router and the EM4594 wireless repeater will be established automatically. This will take approximately 1 minute including reboot. Wait until the Wi-Fi LED turns blue. More information about WPS button press 1 second. Reset button press 6 seconds. Thank you for watching.